Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful lesson from the Unit 3 Care for the Marrow. The lesson name is Listen to the Mountain. What is the lesson name? Listen to the Mountain. This is written by Kaveri Nambisan. Kaveri Nambisan. So it's a very beautiful lesson, and there are so many characters on there. That's why I am teaching this lesson through a video. Okay, audio means you cannot able to understand that. For that only I am teaching through video lesson. um, what is the lesson name? Listen to the mountain. The earth is blessed with natural resources, but they are being exploited in a careless and selfish manner. Are we not duty bound to protect our earth, Mother Earth? Let's read a play. So, what before starting the lesson, they have given some hints. Every lesson we have that, isn't it? So, what they are telling, the earth is blessed with natural resources. What are the natural thing the earth is giving to us? Rain, and then heat, and then what else? What is the stuff? Fruits and everything, water and everything is giving by the earth. Natural resources, it's giving everything, but we are exploited. We are not doing good things to the nature, isn't it? Careless. Okay, we are careless and selfish manner. Okay, man selfish way. They are cutting the trees and everything. They are not maintaining the natural things. So this is the lesson about that. Okay, are we not duty bound to protect? We are. Our duty is to protect our mother earth. Our duty is to protect our mother earth. So here, this lesson is written by Kaveri Nambisan. What are the characters? What are the characters in this lesson? We have to see that. So the characters are grandmother, Narayan. Okay, Narayan is the school headmaster. Okay, they are beautifully given. In the bracket they have given. So first character is grandmother. Grandmother character is very important. And Narayan is the school headmaster. Ramanna. Ramanna is the tea shop owner. Ramanna is the tea shop owner. And then Sastri, Kannan and Rudrappa are our village men. Okay. So what first I have told you, grandmother, Narayan is the school headmaster, Ramanna is the tea shop owner, and Sastri, Kannan and Rudrappa is the village man. Sahar, another character is Sagar. Sagar is the building contractor. Okay, Sagar is the building contractor. And then Dikshit. Dikshit is the millionaire industrialist. Okay, industrialist. So Sagar is the building contractor, and then Dikshit is the millionaire industrialist. Okay, what are the how we see that it's very difficult to pronounce the words. You have to what is it? Practice that. Okay, so grandmother, Narayan, Ramanna, Sastri, Kannan, Rudrappa, Sagar, Dixit. These are the characters we have seen in this story. The play is set in a village. Play means what? Drama. Okay. So this what is it? Listen to the mountain. They are playing as a drama. Okay, drama, and then the play is set in a village. The background shows in a drama, if you see that, they will set that background and all, isn't it? Background. So what the background they have given? Mountains, trees and river depicting a natural and countryside view. So here the background they have given mountains, trees and a river depicting a natural and countryside view. Scenes 1 and 4 are enacted in front of the curtain. The curtain rises for scenes second, third, and fifth. So some scenes, for example, if one scene are starting means they will, what is it? In front of the curtain they will what is that play will start. Okay, scene 1 and 4 are enacted in front of the curtain. So first scene are starting. Grandmother appears from the stage, so you have to imagine that. So in that stage they are each characters are coming and talking. Okay, so drama, you know, they have a stage and each character will come and they will what is it, act, isn't it? So here also all the characters are coming on the stage and they are performing the what is it, their role. Grandmother, first character. So, first character appears on the stage, right? Hubbles to the center in front of the curtain, speaks to the audience in a slow and deliberate voice. So, who is the first character was coming? Grandmother. Grandmother appears the stage, right? Hubbles. Hubbles means usually if you see that old age people, they cannot walk steadily. Hubbles means unsteady. To the center in front of the curtain and speaking to the audience. Okay, in a slow and deliberate voice. Why slow? Because grandmother is an aged person. Okay, so now she is delivering her speech. I'm a great grandmother. I was born at the turn of the century when there were no motor cars, no aeroplanes, no television, no movies, and much less noise. So the grandmother was telling, I'm a great grandmother. I was born, when I was born at the century where there is no motor cars, no aeroplanes, no television, no movies, and much less noise. So, what the grandmother was telling, around the surroundings are what is it? Less noise. And pauses. Pauses means stopping. Okay, stopping for a in between when we are talking. No, sometimes we need what is it? We have to take a breath to continue our speech. In the same way, pauses means stopping. I was born here, grew up, married, and had my children, grandchildren, and great grandchildren. So the grandmother had that what is that? Children is there, grandchildren is there, and then great grandchildren also she has. I have lived here all my life. So she was expressing our experience. Okay, what she was telling, I have lived here for all my life, here in this village on the slopes of Dharmagiri. So what she was telling, I am living here for a long time in this village on the slopes, you know, some what is that, in hills and all, what is that, the roads are like that. This is slope. They will not slopes. Okay, they will not look like straight. This is slopes. So where this grandmother was living, she was living near Dharmagiri, near the slopes. The river, trees, flowers, birds, and animals are my friends. So the grandmother, what she was telling, the river, trees, and flowers, birds, and animals are my friends. I have had a tough life, but a happy one. What she was telling, I face so much of difficulties in my life, but I'm still happy. I'm still happy. And again she was stopping. Now I'm almost 90. What, that grandmother age 90? So she has so many experiences in her life. So my grandson is Narayan. He is the school headmaster. So I already told you what are the characters? We have seen Narayan is the school headmaster. So Narayan is the grandson of this grandmother. Okay. So Narayan is my grandson. He is the school headmaster. He came to me with the most shocking news. Shall I tell you about it? Wait, I think you better to see what actually happened. So what happened? Now I'm going to tell you, yeah. What is that? I'm going to tell something. What had happened? He gave me a shocking news. Who? Her grandson Narayan. Okay, you have to remind every characters. Okay, so Narayan is the grandson of this grandmother. Okay, and then one day Narayanan came and giving a shocking news, and what this grandmother was telling, now I am going to tell you what it is. Enter Narayan from one side of the stage and Sagar from the other. They meet center stage and greet each other. So now the grandmother was going. Again, two characters are coming and they are going to perform on the stage. Okay, what are the characters? Enter Narayanan. First grandmother spoke and she went. Now, who are the next characters? Narayanan, one side of the stage, and Sagar. Sagar, who is that building? Contractor. Okay, contractor. And then they are entering the stage and they are greeting each other. First, Narayanan is speaking. Welcome, welcome to our village. I am the school headmaster. So, Narayan was welcoming Sagar. Okay, welcoming Sagar, building contractor. So, Narayanan was welcoming the Sagar. Welcome, welcome to our village. I am the school headmaster, and he was introducing himself. Sagar. Now, Sagar was replying. Sagar, I'm from Bangalore. Pleased to meet you. So he was introducing. I am Sagar from Bangalore. I am coming from Bangalore. Pleased to meet you. Narayan, will you join me for a cup of tea? Mr. Sagar, Ramana's tea shop is just across the road. Please come. So, what is it? Narayan was asking Sagar. Okay, so he is coming from Bangalore now. So he is asking, will you come for me for a cup of tea, Mr. Sagar? Ramana's. So here Ramana's tea shop is there, just across the road. We can go and have a cup of tea. Who is asking? Narayan is asking the Sagar. Now Sagar is telling. Thank you, thank you. So they are Sagar is telling thank you, and they are leaving the stage. So this is the scene one. Here I can start scene two. Okay, scene two. Curtain rises. Set shows Ramana's tea shop, small and cheerful hotel with two tables and several chairs. So we can know that if you see the tea shops, we can know some tables are there, some several chairs are there, isn't it? Transistor radio on Ramana. So there is a transistor radio is also there. Light, film music blaring, conversation opens, music fades. So in that tea shop, a cheerful hotel with tables are there, several chairs are there. So they are conversing in that tea shop. Whose tea shop? Ramana's tea shop. So Sagar is telling, yes, thank you. I will have tea. Moved into the village a couple of days ago, rented a house behind the marketplace. Bit primitive, but it will do. Loves, I'm only here for 6 months, thank goodness. So Sagar was telling, oh, I'm staying in a rented house only. I will stay here for 6 months only. Who is telling? Sagar. So Ramana is replying, why 6 months? Have you come on business? Oh, Ramana is asking. Ramana is who is tea shop owner. So he is asking, why 6 months? Have you come for any business? He is asking. Sagar, yeah. Why will I come to a sleepy little dump like this if not for business? We are building a hotel here, a five-star hotel. So Sagar was telling, yeah, I came for business only. I'm going to build a hotel. Which hotel? Five-star hotel. So now Ramana is replying, a five-star hotel? So he's serving a tea and he's asking, a five-star hotel here in our village? Who is asking? Ramana. Sahar, proudly, a fabulous multi-storied hotel, 300 rooms, shopping complex, swimming pool, health club, video, the works. So Sagar is proudly telling, yes, we are going to build a multi-storied hotel. It has 300 rooms, shopping complex, swimming pool, health club, video, the works. Narayanan, surprised, but ours is a small village. So, So, who are the three characters in the tea shop? Ramana, Sagar, and Narayan. So, Narayan was replying, but ours is a small village. Only 500 people live here. So, this place is very, very small. Only 500 people are living here. What will we do with a hotel that has 300 rooms? Here, the village is very small and the people are, 500 people only. You are building a big hotel and it has 300 rooms. Why you are building that much of big hotel? He is asking. Narayan is asking. Sagar, addressing the audience, village folk, they are dump tourism, man tourism. This is a lovely village right in the middle of a valley. This river that flows through your village is the cleanest I have ever seen. And up the Dharmagiri mountain, such a gorgeous, breathtaking view. The waterfalls, the trees, the wildlife, marvelous, simply marvelous. The plan is to build a five-star hotel right there on top of Dharmagiri, overlooking your village. Fantastic. So, what his plan was, Sagar was telling, we are going to build the five-star hotel on the top of the Dharmagiri so that we can view everything. Okay. Here the waterfalls is there, the trees are there, the beautiful place is there. So we are decided to build the five-star hotel on the top of the Dharmagiri so that we can view everything. Okay, who is telling? Sagar was telling. So it's a very, very beautiful lesson. Conversation between so many characters are there. So we have just started only. I think it will take uh, 2 or 3 more classes to complete, so we can enjoy the story. I hope you are all enjoyed the story. Please, after seeing the video, please read the textbook. Okay, read the textbook so that you can also enjoy the characters and you can also understand the lessons. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this particular lesson, you can ask me through mobile. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.